Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I have for you an order from Hot Topics. So in case you're new here, or if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that little notification bell. That way you never miss one of these videos. And we'll roll this intro and get on into it. So, I'm a little bit concerned about this because it moves. This is actually a pop I got from Hot Topics. It just released last week, so you should be able to guess what it is. But we'll cut the tape, open it up, and see what kind of shape it's in. So, let me know down in the comments right now what you think about shipping from Hot Topics. Is it good or is it bad? I'll also leave a poll up in the card and let you vote yes or no on shipping from Hot Topics. And here we go. Paper. Sorter box. See that right there? Sorter box. Invoice. That's how you should ship from Hot Topics. Or anywheres. Anywheres, it should come like this. But now, enough stalling. This is what we got. Ready? Boom. It is the Hot Topics exclusive Jack Skellington snakehead. That's actually, the window's a little dented in right here. But other than that, that's in good shape. Like I said, the front of it's got a little bit of a bow. But other than that, they come in good shape. So, let's get this thing out of the box and see what the pop looks like. This pop technically is not mine. It is my old lady's. She loves Nightmare Before Christmas. So even if it was mine, it wouldn't be because she'd steal it. So, when you get him out of the box, this is what he looks like. And I actually really do like this pop. I love the sculpt on it. I just love everything about it. So, that was my order from Hot Topics. Let me know down in the comments if you got this pop or what the latest Hot Topics exclusive pop you got is. And with all this said, I hope you have a wonderful day and thanks for watching.